So as we can see from our readings so far, Pragmatics is composed of many moving parts, and it's been helpful for me to think of it under this umbrella term of social communication, and how there's a lot of overplay in between emotional regulation and development of like language processing and social interactional skills. Another thing that became a big takeaway so far in this assignment has been that having a pragmatic disorder is not just associated with autism spectrum disorder, that it can be something that appears in isolation. Just you can have a very fluid and strong structural language and still have a pragmatic disorder, or you can have DLD and a social communication disorder, and that it's not necessarily tied to one specific diagnosis. It can be on its own, or comorbid with other disorders. So looking at an assessment here, this is from our textbook, and it's just a short clip of going through one of these worksheets, looking at some basic skills for pragmatics: initiating turns, maintaining topics, asking and responding to questions, and providing conversational repairs. So we'll watch a little bit of this and point out some things that we see with a checklist here. Hi, Billy.
I don't like platypuses.
How are you doing today?
Do you like platypuses?
I do like platypuses.
Do you know that platypuses lay eggs?
Wow, that's really cool.
Do you know that they also like water?
I didn't know that.
They lay eggs and they like water. What's that?
I brought some cookies. Do you want some? So you can see so far, greeting was a pragmatic action that wasn't established. How do you think we can get
I can't open it with my mind.
How do you think we can get the jar open?
With my mind, but I can't.
What are some other ways?
Do you like platypuses? What about chickens? Do you like chickens and platypuses? They both have feathers.
I do like them, but how are we going to get this jar open?
Can you open it with your mind?
I can try opening it with my hand.
Open it with your mind first.
Here we see the request of an action occurring. And my hands.
Whoa! I bet if you were a platypus, you couldn't do that.
I think, yeah, it would be really hard. Do you want...
What?
Do you want...
I don't get it.
Which do you want? Peanut butter or jelly?
I want jelly.
You want jelly?
Because platypuses like jelly. Jelly is a platypus's favorite.
So despite his really perseverative nature on
that's not jelly.
This other topic, he's able to make a choice.
You can listen to me and give me what I wanted.
Okay. Can you tell me what you wanted? And request clarification. Oh, do you want peanut butter or jelly?
A jelly.
Okay. I'm sorry, my ears weren't listening.
Probably because you have too much feather in them.
Probably.
Are you a platypus? Are you part platypus? I'm part platypus. I'm also part dolphin.
What are we going to do now? You have crackers, jelly.
Can I eat them?
Yeah. What do we need to get the cracker on the jelly on the cracker?
My mom's permission.
Yeah, your mom said that you can have some.
She said I could eat these?
I asked her before.
You did?
Yeah.
What'd she say?
Can you get the knife?
She asked if I could get the knife. So
what's nice about this assessment is that there's just some little tricks and kind of sabotage situations that you can use with your client to put them in these situations to see if they would give an appropriate pragmatic reaction, or if, can see what skills they have and what strengths they have and what areas they need to work on. So this is a good resource that we can put in our toolbox.